you to move.
I never understood the whole naming your car thing.
That's what I enjoy right there.
Alright, right door seemed to work last time, so let's go to right door. Oh.
Oh!
Fuck out of here. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you. I can't see, I'm trying to pass. Give me those.
Started playing it, and it is a fun game once you realize how those games are supposed to be played. Like that you're supposed kind of just need to get you to get the rebounds.
This guy have a draw. Okay, thank God. Good pass, Ryan. Really
Oh,
hard.
just tip that. Oh my God.
God, of course I shuddered like when that ball came into my hands, bro.
Yo, it did what? Oh!
Nice block, right?
Oh,
God.
out of here, kid.
Oh.
Bitch. Oh my. Bet they don't, but in some cases I could actually probably do something.
Nice. That dude.
Why are you so open?
I got taken.
Nice.
That poor guy.
And dish it back out. Like what? There we go. Finally, I don't have one of them fucking twerps just standing in front of me begging for the ball.
Be honest, I'm kind of just holding Y. Oh my God.
Oh!
Alright.
Oh, yeah, ball.
Yeah,
don't
ball
lie.
don't lie.
Yeah.
I was concerned you might since I was wide open now.
Well,
Yeah, I
at 44 points.
It just screws me up. There's...
Oh my God.
Sound like a hydraulic system. I took my my leg sleeve off.
That'll help.
That's why the connection's better.
This man Ryan is going off.
Must be.
Oh! I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting it, but I was like, okay, we're gonna try it.
Hey!
Oh
Look at
my
this
mama,
ball
we
move.
lit!
Oh my God!
I knew as soon as I saw him slightly slip off of you there, I was like, oh my God. As long as, oh, okay. This is so dumb, dude.
Oh.
It's tough to be him, ain't it? Just a face full of nuts.
I hate myself.
That ball's moving. Oh yeah!
I think I'm shooting 80% from 3.
That's it.
51,
51
baby.
points for Jacob. Jacob's now shooting higher than 80% from 3. He's shooting
I'm
17
shooting
of
81.
21. Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah,
Jacob.
he has 8 more threes than the entire other team.
Try to pass it to you on the cut, Jacob. It wouldn't let me.
Nice.
I like your cut, Jeep. fucking. Ah!
There's a moving 3.
Oh! Oh!
Me.
What the fuck is he doing? Oh no, oh no. You knew it wasn't going in when you saw the fucking magenta meter. Jesus Christ. Listen to me. Like, what are these fucking idiots doing?
Thank you for letting me know his bar is little.
Look at that screen.
Hmm? Ooh! Ooh! Ooh. Nice, Ryan. No, this ain't going in.
Before Ryan even tried it. Oh, this ain't going in.
I'm feeling it. I'm about to pop it from half. Oh! Give me that! Let's go, it worked. How did we get a bucket out of that episode?
How did I dunk on that one?
What the
One of my
fuck?
other ones.
Up. So we have him running point, me. Okay. Shoot, you fucking idiot! God damn!
What the?
No, no!
Good lord.
These guys are
bro.
bad.
These guys are the worst. Or did you
I think
Yeah.
so. I didn't block it.
Who blocked that? Hey, I'm just a producer, bro. I put food on that table, you
In
know.
both ways. Oh my god!
That was a dime.
Oh my,
Oh my
god,
God.
you scored?
He's going up with his bitch, yeah.
Nope.
Scored.
Yep.
That's that 80 rebound coming in handy. I'm about to size this boy up.
Oh.
My guy hasn't cut fast enough.
Good pass, Ryan.
These guys are geniuses.
What the?
What? I mean, good.
That's a
I
foul!
hate this game.
Come on. Yes, let's go, Caruso!
Please, Alex. Oh,
Let's
my
go!
God. Oh. Go up with a big man.
Driving. Magent? Woo! Someone's tweeting? That
So
shit.
funny.
Face just bothers me.
Bang bang, bitch. And of course. Blocked. Oh!
Yes! Let's go! Happy yet?
Obviously.
How far away are you?
I'm.
They need to change one or the other. Or they need to lower the game sentence.
Wait,
for
where's
betting.
Jacob at?
I'm gonna call it on that weird.
Oh, well, that'd be
Game.
nice to know.
Oh.
He just wasn't gonna say anything.